It's not possible!
Now I've seen
shot!
everything.
Hey, everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse. Say, you want to come inside my clubhouse? Well, all right, let's go. Oh, I almost forgot to make the clubhouse appear. We get to say magic words.
I gotta tell you, Timon, that song always gets
Say
me
it with
right
me.
here.
Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse.
Timon, what are you doing?
I'm fast-forwarding to the part where we come in.
But you can't go out of order.
Au contraire, my porcine pal. I've got the remote.
But everyone's
Slide
gonna get
down with
confused.
Hold your hands in
We
the
gotta
air
go back to the
and
beginning of the
say,
story.
We're not in the beginning of the story.
Mickey's.
Yes, we were the whole time.
Yeah, but they don't know that.
Then why don't we tell them our story?
Hey, I've got an idea. Why don't we tell them our story?
Oh, I like the sound of that.
A little backstage tour. Take them behind the scenes for a revealing and intimate look at the story within the story.
Because what they don't know is how we really were there, even though they didn't know we were there, you know?
Couldn't have said it better myself.
So, does this mean we're going back to the beginning?
Oh, no, Pumbaa. No. We're going way back to before the beginning.